Hi, I'm Gary from Westwood Estate Planning. Are you hearing about new inheritance tax rules for pensions and wondering how they'll affect your family's future? Perhaps you previously thought that your pension was safe from inheritance tax, but now you're feeling uncertain about what 2027 will bring. Well, if so, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll break down the upcoming changes to inheritance tax on pensions and explain why they might affect you. We'll cover what's changing, why it matters, and how a calm, strategic approach can help you regain your peace of mind. For many years, most unused pension funds were held in what's called a discretionary scheme, and they were generally outside of the scope of the inheritance tax rules. This meant that they could often be passed on to beneficiaries without an inheritance tax charge. However, that's about to change significantly. As announced at the Autumn Budget 2024, from the 6th of April 2027, most unused pension funds and death benefits will be included in the value of a person's estate for inheritance tax purposes. The government's rationale for this change is to align the tax treatment of pensions with other types of inherited assets, removing the incentive to use pensions solely as a wealth transfer tool. A key part of this change is that pension scheme administrators, or PSAs, will be liable for reporting and paying any inheritance tax due on these pension funds directly to HMRC. This is a major shift in how pension wealth is transferred upon death. So, who will this impact the most? This change is particularly significant for individuals and families who previously didn't have an inheritance tax issue, but now find themselves worried about it because of their pension wealth being brought into their calculation. For some estates, this could mean a substantial increase in their inheritance tax liability. For example, the government estimates that some estates could see an average increase of around £34,000 in inheritance tax liability. This new uncertainty can understandably lead to a loss of peace of mind, as you might be wondering if your careful planning will now be undone. The law is changing, and with it, the landscape of estate planning. Now, it's crucial to understand how these shifts might affect your family and your legacy. This is where Westwood Estate Planning can bring huge value. When new legislation like this comes into play, it's about taking a calm, methodical approach to understand your unique situation. We start by really sitting down with you and conducting a thorough estate valuation. This means looking at your entire financial picture, all your assets, including your pensions, and all of your liabilities. It's about getting a complete and accurate understanding of your estate's potential inheritance tax position under these new rules. From there, we look at this issue from a lot of different directions. We explore all the things a person could potentially do to work around these changes and mitigate the impact. This could involve discussing various strategies like the following. So, number one, lifetime gifting. Transferring your assets to beneficiaries during your lifetime to hopefully reduce the size of your estate. For instance, one overlooked angle is making regular gifts out of your income rather than your capital. And this can be a very tax efficient way to support loved ones without affecting your standard of living. Number two, trusts. These are versatile tools that can be used for a variety of purposes, such as protecting assets, managing wealth, and ensuring your wishes are carried out. We can explore different types of trusts and things like discretionary trusts or flexible life interest trusts tailored to your family's specific needs. And lastly, other considerations. We'll also look at other aspects you may not have thought of, such as the impact of inflation on your estate, the potential need for long-term care, and the importance of regularly reviewing, updating your estate plan to reflect life changes and new laws. Now, another angle is regard to official financial advice, and that's really entirely your decision. There's still a great deal we can achieve together in terms of estate planning without direct financial advice. However, if you are comfortable, I can collaborate closely with your existing financial advisor to ensure a seamless and fully integrated approach. Or if you don't have one, I would be happy to recommend a trusted professional who can guide you through all the financial aspects of planning, in addition to our angle of estate planning. Now, I've been working with financial advisors since 2008, so you can be sure of my experience in this area and my commitment to ensuring all aspects of your planning are aligned. Our goal is to identify robust, tax-efficient solutions that align with your wishes and also protect your loved ones. It's about ensuring your plans are not just compliant with new laws, but also optimized to secure your family's future and, more importantly, restore your peace of mind. So despite these upcoming changes, it's absolutely possible to navigate the new landscape of inheritance tax on pensions with clarity and confidence. By taking proactive steps and seeking expert guidance, you can ensure your plan remains robust and continues to protect your loved one. Our role at Westwood Estate Planning is to be your trusted guide through these complexities, helping you understand your options and implement the best strategies for your unique circumstances. It's about moving from worry to certainty and from uncertainty to peace of mind. If these changes to inheritance tax on pensions are causing you concern, or if you simply want a clear understanding of your estate's position, please click the link in the description box below to book your free, no obligation 15-minute chat. We'll conduct an initial estate valuation and explore how we can help you protect your loved ones and secure your peace of mind. Thank you so much for watching. I've been Gary Tonsley from Westwood Estate Planning, here to help protect your loved ones and secure your peace of mind. Now, if you've enjoyed watching this video, please consider liking it, and also a subscription to our channel. Westwood Estate Planning helps you get delivered more videos like this in the future. Thank you again, and have a lovely rest of your day.